Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the network baseline. Check your ISP status and reboot modem and router for 30 seconds to clear transient errors. Once done, plug a wired Ethernet cable into your device because wired reduces packet loss and jitter. Make sure to close CPU and network-heavy apps that steal bandwidth and set Roblox graphics to lower quality to reduce client load. These first actions remove common causes of disconnects and get you into a stable state for deeper fixes. Next, you adjust routing and priority so game traffic reaches Roblox reliably. Assign a static LAN IP and reserve that address in the router DHCP to avoid IP changes during play. This prevents mid-game drops. Then enable CoS and prioritize your gaming device or UDP packets, because prioritization reduces buffering and latency spikes. If disconnects persist, forward Roblox ports on the router. This clears NAT issues and improves connectivity. These middle steps tackle routing instability and keep packets flowing to the game server. To finish, lock in settings and add safeguards so disconnects are rare. Update router firmware and your network drivers because outdated code causes incompatibility. Then enable Roblox's auto reconnect option or use a monitored reconnect tool cautiously. Make sure your device power settings won't sleep the NIC and test on a different network to isolate ISP problems. If you still drop, contact your ISP with packet loss logs. One helpful tip: run a continuous ping during play and save results for support to diagnose the fault quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.